The navigation item called recommended for you is the area where the artificial intelligence comes into play and uses all of the details of yourself to give you the best matches to meet up with. You will have recommendations, and these recommendations have several options to take from. For example, you can skip this person, you can request a meeting, you can show interest. If you request a meeting, you can either just invite this one person or you can add a second person as well. You can also choose the date and the time and the location. If you choose to meet the person during the in person event, make sure to agree a location where you would like to meet. If you're meeting during the after digital event, it will be automatically a virtual meeting room. Always make sure to add a personal message why you would like to meet. And also take note that you can only send out 20 meeting requests at the beginning. Once people starting to confirm meetings, you will receive back these meeting requests. But as long as people didn't confirm meetings, you will only have a certain amount of meetings available. This will just guarantee that you're not just sending out any meeting requests, but just really the ones you would like to meet up with. You can also show interest. If you're showing interest, you can add a quick personal note by you're showing interest, or you can just simply click show interest. If you decide to skip a person, this person will appear in the skip list. You can always unskip the person again if you would like to do so. If you're interested in someone, it will appear here. And once another person showed back interest, they will appear in the My Connection section. Once you are connected, you are able to start a proper chat. Before, you can only send one message. This is also to prevent any spamming on people. So, only once you are connected and are having a match, you're able to use a chat. Before, you can only send out one message.